What if I told you that Samsung's next big phone might just change the game forever? The upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra is already making waves in the tech world, and the rumors surrounding it are too exciting to ignore. If you thought Samsung had already pushed the limits, wait until you hear what's coming next. Samsung has been shifting its release dates earlier and earlier with each passing year. Right now, the Galaxy S series usually gets announced in January, giving Samsung a strong start and a lead over its competition. Based on what we know, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to launch in January 2026. But some whispers suggest Samsung is working hard to move that date up even further, possibly to the end of 2025. Now, the big question is what's inside this new beast of a phone. According to leaks and reports, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is going to be a powerhouse. On the front, it will feature a brand new COE OLED display with a built-in color filter layer. This will allow the screen to deliver clearer, sharper, and more vibrant images. The screen size will remain at a massive 6.9 inches, which seems to be the sweet spot for power users. Large but still manageable thanks to ultra-thin bezels. Brightness is also taking a huge leap forward. The S26 Ultra will reportedly hit peak brightness levels of up to 3000 nits, meaning the display is going to look even punchier, bolder, and much easier to view under direct sunlight. On the back, the camera setup is expected to be stunning. We're talking about a 200-megapixel main wide camera paired with a larger 1x1.1-inch Sony sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and another 200-megapixel 4x zoom lens. On the front, a 12-megapixel selfie camera will handle your portraits and video calls with ease. Performance-wise, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a monster. It will come powered by Qualcomm's next flagship processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, built on a 3nm process, backed with 12 GB of RAM, a 5300 mAh battery, and the new Adreno 840 GPU. This phone is built for raw speed and efficiency. Charging won't disappoint either, with 65 West-wired fast charging and 25 West wireless charging on board. It's also expected to run on Samsung's next One UI 8 based on Android 16. So, should you wait for the Galaxy S26 Ultra? Well, if you're currently using a Galaxy S24 Ultra or even an S23 Ultra, you might want to hold on. These phones are still incredibly powerful and will easily carry you well into 2026 until the S26 Ultra finally arrives. By then you'll have all the information you need to decide if it's worth the upgrade. On the other hand, if your phone is already giving up on you and you need a new flagship right now, don't hold back. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is already on the market, and it's an excellent choice. Chances are, it will still perform impressively even when the S26 Ultra launches next year. Stay tuned, because the news and leaks about Samsung's next big release are only going to get more exciting from here. And don't forget to hit that bell icon, or you might miss out on the latest updates as soon as they drop.